Welcome back. Welcome back again, HARBROs, to the HARBRO channel. Quality videos, lowest prices. Correction on the ITC super deals. I thought it was one day only, but we have them all now. So it's super ITC deals through the week. So these are the deals going on through the week. And let's just jump right in. Of course, 20% off of Predator generators. But here we go. We have them up. We have them all. It's the Inside Track Club 7-day super deals, 14-piece anti-slip grip, icon alert, $65. We went over that one, 50% off. This is a deal going on through the 26th. I thought it was just one day. The ad from Reddit wasn't clear, but now it makes sense. I'm recalling the deal from last year. So 14-piece anti-slip combination wrench, that icon. Deal ends the 26th. Will they keep them in stock? I don't know. We went over the Vulcan TIG. $900, $300 off. Great deal. Maybe seen some better discounts on welders, but still, 25% off is solid. Ends the 26th. All these deals end the 26th. You actually have multiple days to get them. We went over the Badland, $80 off. Icon half-inch professional torque wrench, $100, 33% off. And here are the other ones. So that's where my confusion was. I thought, well, if they have 7 days of deals, this is a lot of deals, and that second list wasn't that many. But again, these are all going on through the 26th. So here we have Chief 6-piece professional chisel set, $30, 53% off. Normally $65. So $30, 53% off compared to Snap-on. If you need a chisel set, you could do worse than this. Then Bauer, 3/16 inch to 1 3/8 inch. Number 4 black oxide step drill bit, 12 steps, and number 5, 11 steps, $10. Normally $30. No, non-member price is $30. I haven't seen that wording before. Non-member price $30, 66% off. 66% off compared to Milwaukee. Then we have Hallmaster 2-pack, 700-pound capacity, 1 1/4 inch by 16 foot ratcheting tie downs, $8. Non-member price, $17, 52% off compared to Smart Straps. Great deal on some tie-down straps. Spectrum, premium gravity feed air spray gun with side fan control, your choice, $80. Non-member price is $120, $40 off. Again, that's 33% off. Get it down to $80. These do go up to 40% off, so still a good deal, but not the best deal. HVLP choice of HVLP or HTE. Then we have the Icon 3/4 inch drive 100 to 600 foot-pound professional click torque wrench, $300. Normally $400, $100 off, so 25% off of the 3/4 inch drive torque wrench. And again, we have had 40% off of Icon torque wrenches, so 25% off is okay. Not the best, not the worst. A Dyatlov deal, 3.6 Rodkin. And then the last but not least, the Icon Alert 12-inch S-Jaw quick adjust pliers wrench, lifetime warranty, $13. Non-member price is $20, down to $13, 35% off. And this one again is solid. I do believe they've had 40% off, and they definitely do 30% off anything $20 and under. So you've gotten close to this deal plenty of times on this Icon pliers wrench. 35% off is a little bit better than that 30% off. It's exactly 5% better. And those are the super ITC deals, the super deals, 7 days, not just one day for any of them. You have 7 days to get these, assuming assuming that they stay in stock in your store, I think will be the biggest issue. Probably for these 14-piece anti-slip grip professional combination wrench sets. But here we go. Now it's clear. Still starting tomorrow. If you had the plan to still line up, probably still line up tomorrow. But these are the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 deals going on for 7 days. Starting tomorrow, the 20th, through the 26th. Now we know them all. Now we're clear. Sorry, in the last video, you might have to watch the second video, but that's okay. Let me know what you think. These are all the deals, and we'll end it. We'll go into just a little bit of the price history, since we did that for the other tools. So we stopped at the torque wrench. This is a pretty good priced chisel set, $65. So 56541. And it does show that it's gone down in price recently. This January went down to $60, was at $65, so that's good to see. Lowest ITC coupon had it down to $40. That was last August, so that's not too long ago. But look at that. $40 is as low as it's gone. It's now down to $30, so a whole $10. 25% cheaper than the lowest price that it's been. So this 53% is no joke. Bauer, $10, 66% off his nuts for some step drill bits. 64648. And this one did go up in price about a year ago, a little less than a year ago, up to $30. Was at $28, and the lowest ITC deal got down to $20. Regular coupon also $20, but with this super ITC deal, it's going down to $10. So 50% off the lowest price. So solid deal. Hallmaster 95067. This shows it went up in price last November to $17, was at $15, and this has changed quite a bit. Not too many coupons. Lowest coupon was last year in June, got down to $11, but here we are at $8. So obviously not as big a price, but still $4 difference from the lowest price it has been, 52% off. This one I would bet has had deeper discounts. So let's look up 64823. It has gone down in price recently. In November, went down to 120, was at 130. The lowest price coupon wise was at $80, both ITC, regular price, and coupon. So $80, and it's as low as it is. At least they do have it as low as it is, $80. And again, the tracker doesn't include those all encompassing 40% off sales. And then we have the Icon 3/4 inch drive, 100 to 600 foot-pound professional click torque wrench. And this one looks like it's stayed the same price that it's always been at, 2023. Been a few deals as low as $350, and now it's down to $300. So again, the all-encompassing sales was likely lower, but coupon-wise, this is at its lowest price. And then, of course, we're going to look at the, last but not least, the Icon pliers wrench, the S-Jaw, down to $13. And this has gone down in price, down to $20, was at $21 last June, $22. And as of this, last October, it went back down to $20. No real deals on this. Lowest regular price was $15. We're getting it down to $13. So those are all the deals. Sorry for the little bit of the misdirection in the previous video. Didn't have all the information, but we have all the information now. This is the 7-day super deals. They'll all be up for the 7 days. What are the Harbors going to do different? We have all the deals. They're all here. Let me know what you're going to get. And as always, happy harbor freighting, happy shopping. Good luck out there. Please consider liking and subscribing. And as soon as I have more deals, I will send them your way.